So now who will answer me for this? Who will read this?
Sir,
Sir, can
question
I
number
read?
5. Can I read
Siraj.
Muskan?
Can I read?
Yes.
Can I read Muskan?
Yes, Muskan, read out.
Okay, sir. Question number 5. Write the smallest digit and the largest digit in the blanks space of each of the following numbers so that number formed is divisible by 3.
Write the smallest digit and the largest digit in the blank space. We have to write the smallest digit or the biggest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that a number is formed is divisible by 3. समझ पड़ा है क्या नहीं?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what will be the
Understand.
number in the first blank and what will be the number in between this? Look here. We know that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digit is divisible by 3. 3 સાથે ક્યારે divisible થાય? When all the numbers are divisible by 3? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we have 6724. We have 6724 here. We don't know about this number, right? So the smallest number is 2 and the largest number is 8. To get 21 and 27. So 9 liye to here 28 thi jai. 28 is not divisible by 3. Are you getting? समझ पड़े छे? So how do we get 2? First you add this one. 6 plus 7 will be what? 13. 13 plus 2 will be 15. 15 plus 4 will be 19. Now 19 ને nearest લઈ જવા માટે 2 સાથે એડ કરી શકીએ નાનામાં નાનો નંબર to get 21, which is divided by 3. So the smallest digit we can place here is what?
21.
2, not 21. If we add 2 along with 6, 7, 2, 4, our total will be 21. Are you getting?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And if we add the greatest number will be 8. Why? Because you got 18 here. Sorry, 19. 19 ma 8 add karo, then only you will get 27, which is divisible by 3. समझ पड़े छे? So
Yes,
if you
sir.
add this 8, you will get 27, which is total, which will be divisible by 3. समझ पड़ी? Have you got the smallest and the biggest number?
Yes, sir.
Same way,
Yes.
4765 dash 2. So 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. 22 plus 2 already we have 24. So the smallest number can we keep as 0 in between? So 24 तो था જ છે અહીંયા total. સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું? 24 is already divisible by 3. So the smallest number can we take as 0? 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 6 is what? 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 5 is 17 plus 5 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. 24 is divisible by 3. તો આમાં કઈ એડ કરવાની જરૂરત જ નથી. નાનામાં નાનો નંબર 0 મૂકી શકાય.
Yes. Yes,
Here
sir.
it is taken 0. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે? And biggest number 24 is already there. So if we add 9, it will be converted to wait a moment. 33. 33 is divided by 3. 24
Yes,
plus
sir.
9 is 33. So અહીંયા 9 add કરી દઈએ આપણે. the rest of the all number will be same as it is. You will be having total of 33. So 33 is divided by 3. Any doubt, girls?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
શું કરવાનું છે? Check here.
sir, no doubt.
Again, smallest
sir, no
0.
doubt.
If we take 0 in the place of dash, you will get the total 24. 24 is divided by 3. If we take the largest number as 9, we can divide by 33 with 3. Is that clear?
Yes, sir, it is
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Now question number 6.
Sir, can I read Sirat?
Yes, Sirat, please.
Question number 6. Write the smallest digit and the largest digit in the blanks space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11.
Write the smallest digit and the largest digit in the blank space, right? Of each of the following numbers so that the numbers formed is divisible by 11. હવે divisible by 11 ક્યારે થાય? When odd places are added and even places are added and we get the difference as 0 or 11. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Right.
Answer number 6. We know that the number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digits at odd places and that of even places should be either 0 or 11. Yes or no? Now, we have to add all the odd places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 places. So 9 is odd, 8 is odd, and again 8 is odd. So 9 plus 8 plus 8 is 25. Any doubt? Then 2 is even, 3 is even, and 9 is even. 2 plus 3 plus 9 is 14. Is that clear? So 25 minus 14 is what? 11. So 11 is divisible by 11? Yes.
Yes,
So in that blank, the number will be 8. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
no, sir. No, sir, no
સમજાય છે?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, સમજાય. No, sir, no doubt.
Same way, 8-9484. That means odd, odd, and odd. 8 plus 9 plus 8. We get 25 here. So we have to form 14. In the even place, we have 8. So what will be the number that will be missing? The smallest number will be 6. Even place. So again, we will get 14. 25 minus 14, we will get 11. 11 is divisible by 11. So the whole number will be divisible by 11. Is that clear? Is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
So if you want, you can have a picture right here for question 5 and question 6.
Okay, sir.
Have you done?
Sir, Lubna mic is on mute.
But have you done this? Have you
Yes,
taken
sir.
photograph of the answer
Yes,
column, girls?
yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So with the help of this, we have finished our exercise 3.3. Chalo, exercise 3.4. Chalo. Find the common factor of 20 and 28. find the common factor of 20 and 28. So we have to find the factors of 20 first. Factor of 20 are how, what are the factors? 120s are 20, right? Then and 2 10s are 20. Then
4 5s are 20.
4
Five.
5s
fives
are
are,
20.
then I don't think so any other table will be there. 1
5
2
4s are
4.
20.
So 5 આવી જ ગયો ને બેટા? 1
Yes.
2 4 5 10 and 20 is the are the factor of 20. Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Same way 28. એક જ મિનિટ હા, આને છે ને આપણે નીચે લઈ લઈએ. Wait. We did the factors of 20, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo.
सर हमें ऐसे ही लिखना है फेयर बुक में?
Yes, yes, we have to first get the factor of 20 and 28 like this. So આ 20 નું હતું, right? Now 28, 1 into 14s are 28. Sorry, 128s are 28. I'm so sorry, huh? 128s are 28. Then 2 14s are 28. Right? Then what else? What will be the next number? How we
4
get
7s are
28?
28.
3
First
4s
check out
are
table number
20.
3.
7 4s are 28.
3
Four.
4s are 20.
4 7s are 28.
Sir, 4 7s are 28.
Sir,
Mohammed sir.
In a table man no આવે. Of 28, the factors of 20 are girls 7, 14 and 28. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Now what are the
doubt.
factors here? 1, 2, 4 and 1, 2, 4 are the common. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So we have to find only the common factors. So we have to show only the common factor here. See, the factors of 20 and 28 are what we got here, and the common factor are 1, 2, 4. Any doubt with question number 1?
No, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
sir,
हाँ बेटा.
सर ऐसे नहीं लिखना ना, वो आपने जैसे मेथड कराए वैसे लिखना है.
Yes, yes. How you
Sir,
will
इसमें
get
क्या-
this? आपको direct answer આપેલો છે. Have you got this by calculating the way I calculated here?
So that
સમજાય છે?
હા આવી રીતે ના કરવાનું છે.
Yes. આવી રીતના કરવાનું છે. Yes. ચલો. Then 15 and 25. 15 and 25. પેલા આપણે 15 નું લઈએ. 1 into 15, which gives us 15. Then 2 ના ટેબલમાં ના આવે. 3 5s are
3 5s are 15.
then any other number in which 15 belongs to? No. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Any doubt what I did here?
No, sir.
No, sir, no
Same way for
doubt.
25.
No, sir, no doubt.
25, 1
Okay, no doubt.
multiply by 25 za, which gives us 25. Then 5 5 za,
5 sir.
5 5 sir,
25.
25.
I
25.
don't think so that any other number is there for 25.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
factors
Factors of
of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Now what are the common factor here?
1 and 5.
1 and 5.
1 and
1
5.
and 5. Very good. So therefore, અહીંયા નીચે લખવાનું therefore symbol કરશું. The common factors of 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. Any doubt here, girls, how to write the answers? All the answers should be written like this.
No
in the
doubt.
book.
No doubt.
Okay, girls, check here the answer, whether we got the correct answer or not. See, 1 3 5 15, 1 5 25, 1 and 5 is common. Can you see here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that all clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is that all clear? Is that all? Oh, yeah.
Chalo, question number?
Can I read, sir?
2.
Yes.
Find the common
Find
सर CND हमें करना है.
Sorry?
ये नंबर 1 है. Find the common factors of.
हाँ तो वो आपको ही करना है ना.
हाँ.
हाँ तो कौन करेगा?
Find the
Who will
common
do?
factors of 8, 4 and 8 and 12.
ये 2 डिजिट की क्वेश्चन था, ये 3 डिजिट का क्वेश्चन है. So in the same format we have to solve for 3 digits. Same format. Again, common factors we have to find. So common factors will be what? 4.
1 4 is 4.
1 4 is 4. Then
2 2 is 4.
2 2 is 4. So what are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
तो आमने मत लखू छो बेटा અહીંયા.
हाँ.
Girls, steps you have to write. 8. Can I say 1 8 is 8?
Yes, 1 8 is 8. 2 4 is 8.
2 4 is 8.
Okay. Then that's enough.
4 2 is
Enough.
Yes, enough.
So the factors are 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors of 8. And what was the third
Yes.
one? 12.
And 12. 1 12 is 12.
Chalo, 12. 1,
12 is
12 is 12.
2 4 is
Okay.
12. 2 4 is 12.
12.
2, 6 is 12.
2 6 is 12.
Then 3,
Then
4 is 12.
3 4 is 12. 4 5 is 12.
That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are the factors.
Are the factors of 12.
Mohammed sir, Mohammed sir. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Mohammed sir, hello.
Hello, Mohammed sir, your voice is not coming.
Hello, hello, hello. Sir, your voice is not coming.
Sir,
Your voice is not coming. Sir, your voice
hello,
is
sir,
not
your voice
coming.
is not coming.
Your
Yes,
voice is
sir.
not
Hello,
coming.
girls, are you getting my voice properly now?
Now
No.
it
Yes,
is
sir.
properly.
Yes,
Your voice
sir.
is
Now
not
your
coming.
voice is coming.
Yes, sir, it is
Okay,
proper.
girls. Okay. So now, one is common for all three. We have to check all three. All three ma જે number આવતા હોય એ જ common ગણાય. 1, 2, 4,
1, 2, 4.
4, and 4. Got it? So the common factor will be 1, 2, and
1,
4
2, and
for
4 is
all these
common
three.
factor.
Any doubt with this?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
No,
sir,
sir,
no doubt.
फिर से करो ना.
No, sir, no doubt. No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
Something I can doubt. No doubt.
Okay. So now, question number 3. Find the first three common multiples of 6 and 8. Now we have to solve common multiples. Okay. 6 and 8. Common multiples 6 and 8. Okay. 6 ones are 6. Then 6 twos are
6 twos
12.
are 12. 6 threes are 18.
6 fours are
24.
6
24.
fives are
30.
30.
6
6
sixes
6 are
are
36.
36. 6 7s are 42.
42.
42.
42.
6 8s are 48. 48. 6 9s are 54. 6
54.
10s are 60.
and it goes on. જરૂર પડશે તો લખશું બરાબર. Now
हाँ
8.
सर.
8 ones
8
are
1s are 8.
8 twos are
8
16.
3s are 24.
8 threes are
8 4s
24.
are
8 fives are 40. 8 six
8
are
6s are
40.
48. 8 7s
8
are
sevens are
50.
40.
8 8s are 60.
8 eights are 64. 8 nines are
8 9s are
72. 8
78. 8
tens
10s
are
are
80.
80. 10 80.
80 elevens.
Now we have to find the first three commons. How many commons they have asked? First three commons.
First three
Multiples.
First
So
three.
we got our first one as 24 here.
Yes.
We got 48 as a common,
48.
Yes, sir.
right? So we have
Yes.
to go through and increase here. Chalo. Go through and speak up. 6 11s are 66.
66, 6,
Then
12, 6, 12, 1 minute.
72.
72,
So we got it. The last 72 as a common here. We have to get only three numbers. Three common multiples here.
yes, yes. Oh, 1.
24, 48 and 72.
સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir, સમજાય છે.
24, 48, 72. Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No,
No,
sir,
sir,
no
no
doubt.
No,
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. Chalo. We have done up till question
No
number
doubt.
3.
Question number
3. Now question
3.
number 4. Write all the numbers
Yes.
less than 100 which are common multiples for 3 and 4.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, I'm giving you time. તમે રફમાં કરો તો I'll check it
Okay.
right now.
What we have to do?
Sir, what we
Question
have to
number
do?
4. Question number 4. Question number
Number
4.
less than
Write all
100.
the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples. જેટલા common હોય આ બંનેમાં ઈ બધા multiples લખો. ચલો, less than 100.
Exercise less than 100.
Yes.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
Giving you 2 minutes to 3 minutes of time. Huh? બંનેના multiples જ
Okay.
લખવાના છે. Girls, make
Okay,
it fast.
sir.
Okay, sir.
206.
Have you all done, girls?
Sir, I am in 3. 1 minute.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes.
4, 3, 19, 57,